People say failure breaks you, but in truth, it builds you. Because every time you fall, you rise a little wiser, a little stronger, and a lot smarter. This is the story of Ryan Cooper, a young man from Denver, Colorado, whose biggest failure almost made him quit, until he realized that failure wasn't the end. It was the start of something smarter. Ryan was 27, a tech enthusiast who loved drones. While others spent weekends watching Netflix, he spent his fixing propellers, tweaking designs, and dreaming of starting his own drone company. He called it SkySpark Innovations, a company that would build custom drones for photography and rescue missions. He quit his day job to chase that dream, convinced that his prototype would change everything. On the day of his first big demo for investors, Ryan stood in a wide Colorado field, nervous but excited. "All right, SkySpark 1, let's make history." He launched the drone. It soared beautifully into the blue sky until it suddenly spun out of control, crashed to the ground, and shattered into pieces. The investors gasped. One of them shook his head. "We can't risk funding someone who can't control their own prototype." In one crash, his dream, money, and confidence were gone. That night, Ryan sat in his garage, staring at the broken drone. His hands trembled. His heart felt heavier than the machine. "Maybe I'm just not cut out for this," he whispered. His best friend Liam, who had been filming the demo, walked in quietly. "Man, don't quit over one bad day." Ryan sighed. "One bad day? That was my only chance." Liam looked at the wreckage and smiled slightly. "You know, every part of this drone still works, just not together. Maybe it's not failure, maybe it's feedback." Ryan didn't reply, but those words stuck. He went to bed late that night, not broken, but restless. The next morning, Ryan woke up early and stared at the wreckage again. He thought about what Liam said. It's not failure, it's feedback. So instead of throwing everything away, he started analyzing why it crashed. He realized his control software had a signal delay. He watched tutorials, read manuals, and even reached out to drone engineers online. Each failure taught him something new: stability, aerodynamics, coding precision. For months, he rebuilt the drone piece by piece. He didn't wait for investors this time, he invested in himself. At one point, he even nicknamed the new prototype Phoenix 1, because it was reborn from the ashes of failure. 6 months later, on a bright Denver morning, Ryan stood again in that same open field, this time alone. He took a deep breath and whispered, "Okay, Phoenix, show them what failure taught us." He launched the drone, and this time it flew perfectly. It hovered, turned, climbed, and captured breathtaking aerial footage. Ryan smiled through tears. He wasn't just proud of the machine. He was proud of the man who didn't give up. Ryan uploaded the test video to YouTube with a caption, "The drone that failed," and then learned to fly again. Within a week, the video went viral. Tech blogs picked it up. Viewers admired not just the drone, but Ryan's story of resilience. One morning, his phone buzzed. It was a representative from a search and rescue organization in California. "We saw your video. Your drone's precision could save lives. Would you partner with us to develop a rescue model?" Ryan's jaw dropped. A year later, SkySpark Innovations was finally real. Not a dream, but a company helping emergency teams locate missing hikers and stranded victims using Ryan's drones. At the company's launch event, Liam smiled at him from the crowd. Ryan spoke to the audience. "When SkySpark 1 crashed, I thought my dream ended. But failure didn't end my story. It rewrote it. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's the teacher that prepares you for it." The crowd applauded. And as the first official rescue drone took flight, every failure is a message. Not to stop, but to start again with more wisdom than before. Don't fear falling. Fear not learning. Because the fall isn't the end. It's where the smarter version of you begins to rise. Remember, failure is not the end. It's the beginning of a smarter version of you. My friends, if Ryan's story inspired you, comment, "I'll rise smarter" below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.